हम लोग ने एक्चुअली पानी में करीबन 4 साल पहले काम शुरू किया। हमने जब 3 सीजन्स किए सत्यमेव जयते के, उसके बाद हमको लगा कि आगे क्या किया जाए। हम लोग एक चौथा सीज़न लेके आए, अलग अलग टॉपिक्स लेके, या किसी एक विषय को लेके उसी के साथ जुड़ के काम करें, और हमको लगा हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए। तो सत्यजीत और मैं हम दोनों सत्यमेव जयते कर रहे थे, और हमको लगा कि पानी एक ऐसा विषय है जो हमें उसके साथ काम करना चाहिए। और शुरू हम महाराष्ट्र से करना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि हम दोनों महाराष्ट्रन्स हैं, और हर साल हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ सूखा पड़ता है महाराष्ट्र में। बहुत सारे एरियाज़ हैं महाराष्ट्र में जहाँ बारिश बहुत कम गिरती है।
After monsoons, water would last us till about January. For nearly 5 months thereafter, water sources would run completely dry. Villages were forced to migrate for work. We could not farm at all. We even had to buy drinking water from tanker services.
तो ये सोच के हमने शुरू किया पानी फाउंडेशन, और हमारा एम्बिशन ये था, हमारी चाह ये थी कि हम इसको एक बड़े पैमाने पे करने की कोशिश करें। ये सोच के हमने जब रिसर्च किया तो हमें समझ में आया कि हमें जो हल समझ में आया वो है वाटरशेड मैनेजमेंट, कि जो पानी गांव में गिरता है वो उसी जगह पे आप उसको समेटने की कोशिश करें, और कोशिश ये हो कि वो धरती के अंदर हम उसको ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल जो है उसमें धरती के अंदर उसको हम जमा करें, और जो पानी का स्तर जो धरती के नीचे है उसको ऊपर लाने की कोशिश करें, जो अंग्रेजी में ग्राउंड वाटर हम बोलते हैं। तो वाटरशेड मैनेजमेंट का बहुत सिंपल मैं आपको एक लाइन में बताता हूँ कि उसकी कोशिश है कि दौड़ते हुए पानी को हम चलना सिखाते हैं, चलते हुए पानी को हम स्थिर होना सिखाते हैं, रुकना सिखाते हैं, और रुके हुए पानी को हम ज़मीन में डालने की कोशिश करते हैं। जब तक ये एक जन आंदोलन नहीं बनेगा तब तक इस समस्या को हम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे। वी नीड टू क्रिएट अ पीपल्स मूवमेंट, और लोगों को इसमें जुड़ना चाहिए, और वही हमारी कोशिश थी। कोई भी संस्था, कोई भी सरकार हर एक गांव में जाके काम करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, लेकिन हर एक गांव अगर अपना काम खुद कर ले तब ये चीज़ काम जो है बढ़ जाता है और ये चीज़ आसान हो जाती है। तो इस सोच के साथ हमने शुरू किया सत्यमेव जयते वाटर कप। तो हमने क्या किया कि 3 तालुका चुने जो सूखाग्रस्त में आते हैं, एक मराठवाड़ा में, एक विदर्भ में, और एक वेस्टर्न महाराष्ट्र सतारा के एरिया में। तो वहाँ पे 3 जो तालुका हमने चुने, उन तालुकाओं में जितने गांव थे उनको हमने न्योता दिया कि आप आइए, इस प्रतियोगिता में आप भाग लीजिए, इस कंपटीशन में आप भाग लीजिए। कंपटीशन में भाग लेने के लिए गांव को 3 चीज़ें करनी थी। एक तो उन्हें ग्राम सभा बुलानी थी, और उस ग्राम सभा में रेजोल्यूशन पास करना था कि आपका गांव इस कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लेना चाहता है। हम ये इसलिए था क्योंकि हम चाहते थे सारे लोग गांव में जो हैं वो इस डिसीजन में उनका एक पार्टिसिपेशन हो। दूसरा ये कि जब गांव फॉर्म फिल करके वो एंटर होता है तो उन्हें 5 लोगों को भेजना है हमारे पास, और हम उन 5 लोगों को ट्रेन करते हैं। 4 दिन का हमारा ट्रेनिंग कोर्स है, तो इसमें टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग भी होती है और सोशल ट्रेनिंग भी होती है, क्योंकि ये 5 लोग जो समझ जाते हैं, इनको गांव वापस जाके फिर पूरे गांव को लीड करना है इस काम में।
गांव वालों को कहाँ कौन से स्ट्रक्चर हो सकते हैं।
We explained to the villagers where and what water structures can be built. These villages then came to compete for the Satyamev Jayate Water Cup. During the competition, we trained 5 people from each village who then trained their entire village. We told the villagers that everyone has to participate and volunteer. Our entire team from Pani Foundation went door to door and showcased short films talking about the importance of community participation.
आम्हाला सरपंचाने आपलं पाणी फाउंडेशन
had sent 5 villagers for the Pani Foundation training. We were taught how to harvest and secure rainwater. We used to wake up at 5 a.m. for training. We began to apply the learning in our village. We got villagers together and taught them how to create small water harvesting structures.
उसके बाद गांव ने इतना अच्छा काम किया।
The villagers were exemplary in their execution. Many people put in labor as volunteers. Their enthusiasm made the administration and politicians take notice. They then started to help the villagers in every possible way. The impact of the entire process could be seen in 45 days, the duration for which our module runs. In the first year, the village came first in the entire state in the Satyamev Jayate Water Cup.
The women were the first to volunteer labor. Slowly, others joined in. The rains arrived and all the water bodies filled up. Today we save every drop of water we can because we remember how distressed our lives were when we had no water.
After 2016, water levels in our village have increased. Those who left the village in search of work have come back to farm their lands. The work life of people has improved as 50% farming is conducted with drip irrigation. People have started to cultivate crops that give them greater yield, hence more money. It has improved their financial condition.
तो हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या था? हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट ये था कि अगर हम किसी गांव को नॉलेज ज्ञान दें तो क्या गांव खुद अपनी समस्या सॉल्व कर सकता है या नहीं। तो हमारे कंपटीशन में हमने ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिज़ाइन की थी और उनमें से एक ये था, ट्रेनिंग में तो खैर ये था ही, लेकिन उनमें से एक ये था कि हमने श्रमदान पे बहुत अहमियत दी कि अगर एक गांव कंपटीशन जीतना चाहता है तो जब तक वो श्रमदान का कोटा अपना पूरा नहीं करेगा उसको उसके मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे। तो ज़्यादा मार्क्स हमने श्रमदान के लिए रखे थे। और श्रमदान में क्या होता है कि सारे गांव वाले आते हैं और वो 2-3 घंटा इकट्ठा मिलके काम करते हैं।
Due to an increase in the water levels, the motor that did not run even for 10 minutes now runs at least 12 hours. This means we are able to grow multiple crops and even sell the produce in bigger markets. Today, I earn rupees 30 lakh a year. It is possible only because we have water.
तो ये होने के बाद
Right now, there are between 1,000 to 1,500 villages that have become water sufficient, both in terms of drinking water and farming water.
उनको हमने सिलेक्ट किया।
So this year onwards, we have changed the approach of the water cup. We will concentrate on the best case villages, around 1,100 of them. We will assess them on 4 counts: grasslands, organic content of the soil, forestry, and optimum usage of the water by efficient crop planning.
स्पर्धा का नाम जो हमने रखा है वो
The new Samriddh Gaon competition will focus on their land, farming and economy.
खेती के बारे में, जमीन के बारे में, इकोनॉमी के लिए कि समृद्ध हो।
देखिए, पानी को अगर हमें जमा करना है ना तो हमको लोगों को साथ लाना है। और जब तक लोग साथ नहीं आएंगे ना, जब तक लोगों में दरार होगी ना तो वो पानी जो है उसमें से निकल जाएगा।
India has access to only 4% of water bodies, but has 17% of world's population. The reality is that Indian farmers, most of them are dependent on rain-fed agriculture, and rains are a gamble. We believe we are an agri-based organization, And because of that, we have deep engagement and deep association with Indian farmers. So they become our primary stakeholders. Believe that in case of a concern or an issue, industry is also going to get impacted. So keeping that on the radar, ITC has worked very hard to say what can be done to make our units, our locations, and therefore ITC water positive.
We were not aware. Our lands were dry till the eyes could see. There was no water for farming. Even drinking water was short in supply.
In 2014, when I was elected the village head, all of us faced a drinking water shortage. Most borewells had run dry. We had to buy water from tanker services. Some villagers came to me and said a water and soil conservation program, ITC Mission Sunehra Kal, was running successfully in a nearby village. They too wanted to start a water conservation and afforestation drive for the village on our fallow grazing grounds. I discussed the proposition with the villagers and immediately gave a go-ahead.
The ITC people asked us to create a collective. They guided us as to how to create self-help groups and committees. We stood by them and they stood by us. They began to lay water structures. The villagers contributed labor, some funding came from the government and the rest came from ITC.
We are in 44 districts of 16 states. So our work is in this area has impacted almost 11 lakh acres of land. We have actually built about 17,000 water structures, and these range from small farm ponds to large dams, and we have also worked in river basins, so it's across that whole gamut. We have created storage capacity of over 37 million cubic meters, So if you look at it, we have impacted almost 3.3 lakh people because of this work.
After the water structures were built, slowly the water levels began to rise, and with it, our incomes. Our village began to progress.
ITC has 42 partnerships just in the area of water conservation and management. And these partnerships are with government bodies like NABARD, it's with the Integrated Water Management Institute.
Stand in queues for hours to get water for the cattle. We have been able to prioritize their water needs.
पहले मैं घर का ही काम करती थी, कुछ भी नहीं करती थी। मेरी मतलब शादी के बाद
I was not a working woman. I spent the whole day in household chores.
महिलाओं को अपने साथ लेकर
A year ago, when I heard about the self-help group model, I mobilized 11 women and started a group. Earlier, we had to walk up to 2 kilometers each day to fetch water for the cattle. Now there's enough water in the village for the livestock. Our crops are good and household incomes have increased. Our group creates savings, attends village meetings regularly, and help others avail of government loans and social security benefits.
Since the women have become part of decision making, they have become equal stakeholders. They are bringing up the children in an informed way. When we were not aware, we lived in darkness.
It has impacted the environment positively. It has also impacted people and their livelihoods very positively. Our work has led to reduction in topsoil erosion. It has led to improvement in groundwater levels. In fact, third-party studies say in many of our catchments, the groundwater has gone up by almost 40%. Our work has increased soil moisture, the moisture which is there in the soil. There has been an impact on biodiversity. Farmers who were planting maybe only one crop, because that is all the water that was available, now can plant 2 crops and sometimes 3 crops. So 3 crops is a huge, huge, huge impact.
Since childhood, I have seen all farmers growing barely one crop against all odds. Now if you see our farms, they are green with wheat, onion, corn, pea and corn crops.
The income has gone up by 250%.
Of course, we are able to conserve water. The system to harvest rainwater is a wonder. Even if it does not rain for 3 years, we will have enough water in my village.